Imagine this scenario. You're at home. You want to practice English, but there's no teacher, no friend nearby, and no one to converse with. What do you do? Do you wait for a scheduled lesson? Do you pause your learning? No. Now you can chat with an assistant that never sleeps, never grows weary, and is always ready to help. That assistant is ChatGPT. ChatGPT isn't a human. It's an intelligent computer program that can help you learn English whenever you wish. Morning, yes. Night, yes. Midday, while you're having lunch, yes. You can request ChatGPT to clarify grammar rules, introduce new vocabulary, rehearse everyday dialogues, fix your errors, and even share amusing stories. Let's observe how it functions. You type, "Can you assist me in practicing English?" ChatGPT responds, "Certainly. Let's start. What topic would you like to discuss?" You reply, "I'd like to discuss my school." ChatGPT says, "Excellent. Describe your school to me. What do you enjoy there?" Now you're conversing, learning, and gaining more assurance. And the best aspect is, you can commit errors, and ChatGPT will politely indicate the correct form. Like so. "You're right, I go to school yesterday." ChatGPT says, "Good effort." The accurate sentence is, "I went to school yesterday." This is how we progress gradually, one sentence at a time. So, how can you optimize your use of ChatGPT? Suggestion 1. Converse with it daily, even for only 5 minutes. If you aim to learn English rapidly, lengthy study sessions aren't necessary. Consistency is key. This implies you should engage with English every day. If you merely have 5 minutes, utilize that time to chat with ChatGPT. Why? 5 minutes. Because small, daily efforts surpass occasional, intensive ones. Your brain retains information better with frequent exposure, and 5 minutes is manageable. You can do it before classes, before your job, or before bed. You can say, "Hello, ChatGPT. How are you today?" Or, "Could we practice English today?" Or even, share a brief English tale with me. The crucial part is to maintain regular contact with the language. Consider it similar to watering a plant. A little water daily makes the plant thrive. But if you neglect it for many days, the plant dries out. Your English skills are similar. Chat for 5 minutes daily, and your English will become robust and healthy. Don't await the ideal moment. Begin with what you have. Even during a hectic day, you can chat with ChatGPT for 5 minutes. And when 5 minutes becomes enjoyable, you might continue for 10, then 15. Soon you'll be speaking improved English without feeling fatigued or disinterested. So recall, one brief daily chat can have a significant impact. Suggestion 2, don't feel embarrassed. It won't mock you. Many individuals feel anxious attempting to speak English. They worry. What if I say something incorrect? Or what if people laugh at me? This fear hinders their learning. But here's the positive part. ChatGPT never laughs, never criticizes, and never becomes upset. You can make 10 errors. You can use incorrect grammar. You can misspell words. It's fine. ChatGPT will still answer kindly. It will help you correct the mistake, and it will motivate you to try once more. That's why it's a secure space to practice. You don't need to feel self-conscious. You're not in a lecture hall. You're not performing publicly. You are simply having a calm, private conversation with a friendly AI. You can type at your own pace. You can pose simple queries. You can state, "I don't comprehend. Please clarify." And ChatGPT will explain again in an easily understandable manner. Even if you repeat the same error multiple times, ChatGPT will not lose patience. It will remain calm. It will assist you repeatedly. This is immensely helpful for those apprehensive about speaking in front of others. With ChatGPT, you can develop your confidence. You can practice calmly and gradually. Your fear will diminish. Soon, you will feel more assured to speak with actual people too. So don't be shy. Don't fret. Just remember, mistakes are a natural part of learning, and ChatGPT is your supportive guide on this path. Suggestion 3. Request it to review your English. One of the most effective methods to enhance your English is to seek feedback. This means asking someone to indicate what is right and what is wrong. And imagine what ChatGPT can do that. You can write a sentence or a full paragraph and simply ask, "Can you review my English?" Or, "Please correct my errors." And ChatGPT will show you what requires modification. It will also explain the reason. For instance, "You write yesterday? I go to market." ChatGPT replies, "Good attempt, but the proper sentence is yesterday. I went to the market because." Yesterday is in the past. So we use the past tense, when's instead ago. Now, you not only know the correct version, you also understand the logic behind it. This accelerates your learning and improves retention. You can ask ChatGPT to review your sentences, short paragraphs, dialogues, assignments, even your English messages. It's like having a tutor who is constantly available to help and always offers supportive, clear feedback. And here's an enjoyable idea. After ChatGPT reviews your English, attempt again. Rewrite the same content more accurately. This will strengthen your writing and speaking abilities day by day. So, don't fear mistakes. Utilize them as instruments for improvement. Allow ChatGPT to lead you step by step. Remember, each corrected sentence brings you closer to fluency. Suggestion 4. Experiment with new subjects like journeys, cuisine, or aspirations. Learning English doesn't need to be dull. In fact, it becomes simpler when you discuss topics you enjoy. That's why you should try new and interesting subjects with ChatGPT. You can ask, "Can we discuss my preferred food?" Or, "I want to learn vocabulary related to travel." Or, "Can you assist me in describing my ideal home?" Or, "Let's talk about animals or studies or films." When you discuss various topics, you naturally acquire new words, expressions, and grammar. For example, discussing food will teach you terms like flavor, hot, sugary, and tasty. Discussing dreams will teach you words like aspiration, objective, tomorrow, and strategy. It also makes learning fun. You aren't merely studying dry grammar rules. You are applying real English to real subjects. ChatGPT can help you formulate conversations, pose questions to you, and even narrate stories about your favorite topics. Suppose you adore animals. You can ask, "Tell me a quick story about a dog and a cat." Or perhaps you like cooking. Say, "Teach me English terms used in cooking." This way, you link English with your daily life. It becomes more relevant, and you remember it better. Also, switching topics keeps your mind engaged. You won't feel bored or exhausted. You will be eager to learn more each session. So, don't limit yourself to one topic. Discover. Be inquisitive. Try something different each time you chat with ChatGPT. The more you explore, the more you learn naturally. Recall, English isn't solely about textbooks. It's about practice. And with ChatGPT, you can practice at any moment, in any place. So why delay? Launch ChatGPT. Enter your first message and start your English adventure today. And if you desire more enjoyable, straightforward English lessons, subscribe to channel where Make English Easy. Let's learn jointly. Let's improve together. Let's communicate in English.